Dive into the world of elephants, the largest land animals on the planet. 3 species exist: African savanna, African forest, and Asian. Notice the ears. African elephants are shaped like Africa, Asian elephants like India. Here's an intriguing fact: elephant tusks never stop growing, but only males in Asian elephants have tusks. They also spend 12 to 18 hours a day eating, using their trunks to smell and lift food. Fun fact, they produce about 1 ton of poo per week, helping fertilize the soil and disperse tree seeds. They're also architects, digging water holes and creating footpaths, altering the landscape. Sadly, they're in trouble due to hunting and conflicts with communities. So let's cherish these gentle giants. Tune in for more intriguing facts.